Alright, well, I never really make videos like this. This one, it's really kind of got me nostalgic because, frankly, I see that this may actually be the very last time that anything with new Beatles tracks ever gets released. I mean, there might be some remix stuff, but talking about no new total Beatles tracks, this could be the very last time. With that in mind, I'm going to go into opening it up, unboxing. And the cat's got to get in on it too. This is, of course, the 6-disc edition. It has most of the most that it can have. It looks like to let it be as it always did. So booklet form, book form. Got the nice get back, let it be, telling about the whole story of the album and such. Okay, so the whole album, the book. What's this say? 100 something page book. 304 page book. Very nice, very good. Little advertisement for the book, the big book. And we get to the folder. The new mix of the original album. Get Back LP, the one that had been mixed for potential release in 1969 by Glyn Johns. Disc 2, Apple Sessions, just leftover tracks. Not that there aren't tons of those out there already, which I do have. Let It Be EP. These were mixes that had been prepared to be released as singles. An EP style release. And then we got disc 3, Get Back Rehearsals and Jams. And then the Blu-ray that has all of the remixes and the album on it. Okay, and Blu-ray sound. That's all of it. And as I say, could be the very last time that we get a product that actually has new tracks on it. There's been talk about putting together Rubber Soul and Revolver as one release, remixing them. Two albums that definitely need remixing, especially Rubber Soul definitely needs some remixing. But we'll see about that. Those two could go together as one and remix. And they might be able to scrape a few things together from that, but really it was starting with Sgt. Pepper that EMI had a priority of keeping everything the Beatles did, said, anything that noise they made in the studio. Keep it, save it. But, well, we'll see if something like that might materialize. But other than that, there's probably not much chance that anything new, really, perhaps ever again, would be released. This is the end of it, potentially. I mean, I could be wrong on that, but yeah, so there we are. And there it is.